Hi there, welcome to our channel FleetTech. In this video, we'll talk about how to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. So for this, I open my Play Store app here. Click on your profile on the top right corner and from there, click on Payments and Subscriptions. There we have Payment Methods option. If I click on it, so here my credit cards are already added. Now, if I add another payment method, so there we have more options. If I click on more payment options here, so you will be directed to your Google account. And from there just simply scroll down and click on more payment methods. Okay, so as you can see, we only have debit or credit card here. Now let's go back and open our Google app, and here let's search for if we can transfer our payment or not. So it is generally not possible to directly transfer Google Pay balance to PayPal. Yes, you can transfer it to your bank, and from bank you can transfer it to PayPal. Other than that, there is no way. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.